The tomato is the edible berry of the plant Solanum lycopersicum, commonly known as the tomato plant. Tomatoes are a significant source of umami flavor. They are consumed in diverse ways, raw or cooked, and in many dishes, sauces, salads, and drinks. While tomatoes are fruits botanically classified as berries, they are commonly used culinary as a vegetable ingredient or side dish. Numerous varieties of the tomato plant are widely grown in temperate climates across the world, with greenhouses allowing for the production of tomatoes throughout all seasons of the year. We commonly refer to tomatoes as a vegetable due to their use in savory dishes, but it is indeed a fruit. To understand why tomatoes are a fruit, we must start with defining the botanical classifications for fruits and vegetables. These veggies contain tons of important nutrients and anti-inflammatory compounds. For example, tomatoes are rich in lycopene, an antioxidant compound that is thought to have anti-cancer properties and may play a role in skin health. Tomatoes also have potassium, vitamins B and E, and other nutrients. Your favorite garden veggie gives you about 17 milligrams of vitamin C, although the amount in each tomato depends on its size, variety, and other factors. Tomatoes are loaded with a substance called lycopene. It gives them their bright red color and helps protect them from the ultraviolet rays of the sun.